What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol NIO for NIO Inc., of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We have some prior levels on our chart, of course, but most importantly, we saw a solid reversal off of the Friday lows into the meat of the gap down, right? Really, from when things started falling apart. So is this the beginning stages of a reversal? Maybe, right? And if we take a closer look at the 30-minute before we dive into the daily here, notice the fact that we have nearly a picture-perfect bull flag into the afternoon. Like, this literally belongs in a textbook, I feel like. So it's going to give us some pretty easy areas to get involved. Obviously, it's got to be a break up and over 2450s to get us into the bottom of the gap here at 26. And as and if that breaks, it's a gap fill up towards 2750, right? Because technically speaking, that is slightly underneath the lows of the flush point, right, for the gap fill. So that's what I would watch out for to the upside if we see follow through from this bull flag. Now, to ensure that we're still consolidating in a healthy area, let's quickly take out the Fibonacci's from low to high, and you'll notice that this fib, the 38.2, that's the critical one, by the way, is aligning beautifully with structure. If I scrunch up the chart, you can see that it's the prior support from in here. So as long as we do something like this on NIO, I would start to think roughly about this being an hourly inverted head and shoulders, right? Because on a higher time frame, we would have less candles. You get the gist, right? And then we get a break of the neckline here for that gap fill overhead. That's definitely how I'm starting to look at NIO and how I'm thinking about potential scenarios here. If we start taking out that area of support, the 38.2, and also this daily area or 30-minute area in here around 2336, I would probably be hands off and wait for either a higher low to develop here and then reattempt. Again, you would just need more confirmation in the case where that area breaks down at 2336. I wouldn't be as gung-ho about trying to go long, especially noting that the daily downtrend is, substantially strong, right? This to me is not really something that I want to fight too hard without more confirmation on these smaller time frames. So that's what I'm seeing inside of NIO. Again, we have the breakout levels for the gap fill overhead, and we have the no touch zone underneath 2336. If everything goes awry and we break down underneath 22, it's all about Friday's low here at 1931. Is it in play immediately? I don't know about immediately, but I certainly would use that as a gauge as to whether to remain more bearish or bullish inside of NIO, right? If we do something like this and then turn around, well, we didn't quite make it there. Maybe I'm more neutral and waiting for more confirmation for long setups in the future. So that's all I've got for you. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.